Sir, shall we start the session, sir?
What about others, whether they will be coming or not?
Yes, sir. They'll be joining, sir, parallelly.
Okay, that means we can wait for some 2 or 3 minutes
Okay,
because
sir.
14, 20 members are 22 members are available.
Yes, sir.
We can wait for some 2 or 3 minutes and then we can start. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So we can start.
Yes, sir. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. So we are in the valedictory session of AICT sponsored 5 days Atal online FDP on multi-objective optimization and product innovation through TRICE. So hope you all have enjoyed all the sessions for the past 4 days, and now it comes to an end. And so here we are about to validate the FDP. So at this juncture, so I wish to present my welcome address. So I welcome, first of all, I welcome the chairman of Sri Shanmuga College of Engineering and Technology, Thiru K. Shanmugam sir, and the vice chairman, Thiru S. Prabhakar sir, and director of SSCET, A. Tirumurthy sir, and the administrative officer of Sri Shanmuga College of Engineering and Technology, B. Uday Kumar sir, and our beloved principal, Dr. S. Muruganandam sir, for this valedictory function. I also welcome that special welcome to Dr. R. Saravanan sir. He has supported with respect to the risk concepts. I welcome the heads of all the departments and heads of mechanical engineering. Last but not the least, and our beloved participants. So I welcome a warm welcome for all of you. So I would like to invite our beloved principal, Dr. S. Muruganandam sir, to present the valedictory address to the gathering.
Okay. Good afternoon to all. I feel very happy to be the part of this FD program in delivering both the inaugural address and the valedictory address. And I first of all thank AICTE for granting the funding for this 5-day Atal FDP program on the topic of multi-objective optimization and the product innovation through TRICE. And also I thank our management, that is our chairman, our vice chairman, our director, and our administrative officer for supporting in all aspects, and the delegates for participating in this program, because you are the backbone of this program, because without your presence the FDP will not be possible. So I thank all the participants or all the delegates for participating in this FDP for the past 5 days. That is, it started on 12th of this month, and today it is going to be over. And actually we need to thank Corona also, because normally when these FDPs are being conducted, many times what we will see is the participation will be within the state, but now it has become a pan-India. So pan-India in the sense we are able to see participants from different parts of India, so that means it is a real participation. So I feel very happy, and I hope that you will have enjoyed. And also, as our coordinator, Mr. Prabhu, has told, Dr. R. Saravanan has played a vital role in making this program or this FDP in a very successful one. And also the other speakers, because they had given their knowledge, disseminated the knowledge to all the participants. So actually we have conducted, there is 14 sessions have been conducted. Of these 7 programs, 7 sessions were with respect to the optimization techniques, and 6 were on the TRICE concepts, and 1 meditation topic. So this is how the program went on, and I hope that you will have enjoyed. And also it was informed that more than 100 participants, that is 106 participants have registered, and 50 plus delegates are participating in all the sessions. So anyway, it is in this situation it is okay, but actually the success of this FDP lies only when you are going to make use of this concepts, TRICE concept, in your research work, because the purpose of conducting the FDP is to disseminate the knowledge, and in that aspect in this program we are taken this prize, and it has introduced, and I hope that many of you will be able to proceed with your research work, or if you are guiding, you can also make use of this concept for your delegates to make use of it in their research work, so that they can do their research work in a comfortable way. And for those who are doing the research, please make use of it. It is a very dynamic one, so we can make use of it. And almost we are at the end of this fag end of this program, and I appreciate Dr. Prabhu for neatly coordinating all the activities for the 5 days, and also before that he was able to make arrangements with the there is a delegates he might have contacted, and also with the resource persons, their coordination, all these things he had done it very nicely, and the program went on well. So a special appreciation to Dr. Prabhu, and also the department faculty members for supporting him in all aspects. So anyway, it is with a very good intention the program was organized, and now it is coming to an end, and I wish you all the best, so that you will be able to get the benefits in the coming days. So we'll see. We wish to see you one more time in the other programs we are going to organize. Anyway, thank you one and all. Thank you.
So thank you, sir. Thanks for your address.
Okay.
So now I would like to receive the feedbacks from the external participants, because without feedback anything is it is underworking, I think. So that to improve to the as such FDPs, and to get the experience based on these 4 days, so what you have received, and so we would like to get the feedbacks from the external participants. So kindly come forward and you may give the feedbacks about the overall program.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all of you.
Good evening, sir.
I am Vinod Kumar, working as assistant professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Negru Institute of Engineering and Technology from Coimbatore. I have learned a lot of during this 5 days webinar from expert resource person, and the multi-optimization techniques that I have learned will be definitely useful from my research work, because I'm doing experimental investigation on composite work. So it is very useful to, at the same time, very informative session, and also good explanation about optimization techniques. I would like to thank respected principals and HOD, and expect resource person from various colleges, and those who are organized and supporting to conduct this webinar successfully. Thank you for all. Thank you once again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your valuable feedback.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Somebody else?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. You're audible.
This is audible, sir. This is Dr. Anand Kumar from Karpam College of Engineering, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, first of all, I'm very thankful for arranging this kind of optimization techniques for FTP. Really, my heartfelt thanks for Dr. Prabhu, sir, for making in this arrangement and coordinate all the coordinates for the different optimization techniques involved together for last 5 days. I'm already publishing some of the optimization techniques related papers, but some of the data I gathering in this FTP. So this was very useful for upcoming papers I involved to this kind of optimized techniques. So again, once again I thank to Dr. Prabhu sir and Samua College of Engineering Technology for organizing the wonderful FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your feedback, sir. Anybody else? So also we are receiving the feedbacks through chat boxes. You can also give your feedback for improvement, otherwise for what you had received for these previous 4 days through the chat box also. We can made it, and we will use to follow and correct it in the upcoming programs. Is there any other feedbacks?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir.
I am Dr.
Audible, sir.
Kannan from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering.
Yes, sir.
First and foremost, I thank your college and coordinator Prabhu sir, because in Atal FDPs, this kind of optimization and TRIS FDP in the last one, I have not seen this kind of FDP in the last year. And I searched for this TRIS, afterwards only I got this. So this is one of the kind that you take a good initiative to combine this optimization and TRIS techniques. And this is an excellent one you organized with good speakers. And once again, thank you, sir, for organizing this kind of FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your valuable feedback, sir. Is there anybody would like to give the feedbacks on the FDP? Yes, we are keep on getting the feedbacks through the chat boxes. You may give your feedbacks currently through the chat box. Otherwise, you may mail it to us. So we used to see all those things, and we also it will help us to correct everything. And also we will be keep on doing as such FDPs and other programs for you all. And next.
Prabhu sir, voice not audible, sir.
Yes, sir. So the FDP, the day one, it was inaugurated by our principal, Dr. S. Muruganandam sir. And the session one, it is all about introduction to design thinking. It was handled by Mr. Charat Chandar, Coimbatore. And then the session two, it is on the title Multi-Objective Optimization Using TOPSIS Method by Dr. N. Gnanasekaran sir from NIT, Karnataka. And the session 3, it was covered with the topic Tap Your Inner Potential by Mr. P. Harish. So from Art of Living, Coimbatore. And the day 2 started with the session 4, the title with Optimization Using Fuzzy Logic by Dr. P. Sendil Kumar from Banariaman Institute of Technology, Satyamangalam. And the session 5, it is based on the title Evolutionary Genetic Algorithm by Dr. S. Sivamani. So University of Technology and Applied Sciences, Salalah, Oman. And the day ended with the session 6 with the title Optimization Toolbox in MATLAB by Dr. P. Sendil Kumar. and from Banariman Institute of Technology, Satyamangalam. In the day 3, the session started with nature-inspired algorithm title by Dr. P. Gopi Krishnan from Dr. NGP Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, and it was followed by the session 8, case studies on nature-inspired algorithm by Dr. P. Gopi Krishnan. And in the day 3, the session 9, it was handled with the topic, the introduction and essence of TRIS. The concept of TRIS was initiated on the day 3, and it was followed up by session 10, the product innovation to thrice by Dr. R. Saravanan, and the session was followed with session 11, the title with TRIS Introduction to Field Analysis by Dr. V.S. Balaji sir, and the insight of physical and technical contradiction in TRIS, it was illustrated very nicely by Dr. R. Saravanan sir. And the final day of the FDP, session 13, so it was started with the title TRIS Concept 76, a Standard Inventive Solution by Dr. V.R. Muruganandam sir from Kumaraguru College of Technology, Coimbatore. And the FDP session, it's ended with the title TRIS 40 Inventive Principle and Physical Technical Contradiction Exercise by Dr. V.S. Balaji sir. And we are in the valedictory function. So this is all about the FDP, and so the participants are from across India, so from different parts of India and from different domains as under faculty and PG, UG, so PG research scholars, and then some of the peoples from industry has registered, and hope they got use of this FDP. So this is all about the FDP. And now I would like to invite Professor R. Bhuvari, head of the department, Sri Shanmugha College of Engineering, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to all. The essence of all beautiful art is gratitude. On behalf of Sri Shanmugha College of Engineering and Technology, I take this opportunity to propose vote of thanks to those who have directly and indirectly contributed to this 5 days Atal workshop on multi-objective optimization and product innovation through trees, organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering. At the outset, I thank our guest speakers from various institutions. You are really enlightened with your knowledge and presence. We are thankful to our Honorable Chairman, Vice Chairman, Director and Administrative Officers for their constant support. I would like to thank our Principal Sir for his encouragement and moral support. A special thanks to the coordinator, teaching and non-teaching staff for their unflinching support and coordination. Our heartfelt thanks to participants from various institutions for your active participation. With these warm words and a kind message, we move to the end of 5 days Atal workshop. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your address. So next, there was a instruction related to the assessment process. So kindly connect with us. So hope all you know about the eligibility process to receive the FDP certificate, and the attendance, it should be of 80% among these sessions, and then there will be assessment at the end of this valedictory session. So in that you are about to get 60%, and in addition to that you are about to give the feedback about the FDP in Atal website through the participant login. Okay, so I will show you how and where you are about to give those feedbacks. And about the assessment process, the type of questions will be MCQs, and then number of questions will be 50, and total number of marks, it is for 50, and duration, it will be 2 hours. The assessment starts from 4 to 6 p.m. So I will show you. So through the participant login, you are about to enter the Atal participant account, and to the left you will be having some different menus. In that feedback, if you are picking that feedback, means the FDP which you are got enrolled, so that will be shown, and in that you just pick this symbol and you will be taken to the page where you are about to give the feedback. So this is all about the feedback mechanism. So with this, so I request all of you to turn on the camera for the photo session just for 10 seconds. Just turn on your camera and show your face, and we will have a photo session for this session. I request all of you to turn on the camera just for 10 seconds. So thank you all. So I would like to thank the management, principal and administrative officer of Sri Shanmugha College of Engineering, and also I would like to thank Atal Academy for supporting us in sponsoring and guiding us to conduct this FDP. And also I would like to my special thanks to Dr. R. Saravanan sir for guiding to conduct this FDP. And I wish to extend my thanks to the resource persons who have contributed their time and sharing their knowledge. And my special thanks to the participants who have spent all those 5 days with us and learning the new things. Surely will be helping the educational community and our students. So in the aspect of other multi-object optimization techniques. So thank you one and all who gathered here for this valedictory session. Thank you.
கன்ஃபார்ம் ஆயிடும்.
பாருங்க, பாத்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு என்ன பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு பாருங்க.
கெமிக்கல் சரிங்களா? கெமிக்கல் நல்லா தான் இருக்கும். யார்கிட்ட கேட்கணும்? எங்க இருக்காரு அண்ணன்?
Wind up the session, sir.
துபாயில தானே இருக்காரு. அப்ப கெமிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் தான் துபாயில வேகன்சி எக்கச்சக்கமே ஃபுல்லா.
ஆமாடா.
பவர் பிளான்ட்
நான் கூட அவன்கிட்ட கேட்கல.
கெமிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் தான் ஃபுல்லா.
ஆமா.
Hello.
பெட்ரோலியம் நிறைய கம்பெனி இருக்கு.
Hello.
துபாயில பெட்ரோல்.
Yes, sir.
Sir, examination link. Where you got the examination link?
Yes, sir.
Examination link, sir.
Yeah, we'll be sharing that, sir. One second.
Sharing in WhatsApp or in this chat box, sir?
I'll be sharing that in the WhatsApp.
Okay, thank you.
ஈஸியா படிச்சிடலாம்.
The link will be examination link will be shared in the WhatsApp group. So we conclude this meeting and we'll leave this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.